FM on a Monday afternoon. The Midday Spice Show now crosses over to Money Web.
Well, welcome to this Lotus FM Investment Focus brought to you by Money Web. In studio joining me today, we are joined by the Executive Chairman of the South African Gold Coin Exchange, Mr. Alan Demby, joins us today to help us take a look at investing in gold coins and the varieties of options that are available on the market. But Alan, first things first, let's get into the South African Gold Coin Exchange. Who are they and what are they about, and what investment opportunities do they present to consumers?
Well, first and foremost, Guguleta, thanks for inviting me. And yes, the South African Gold Coin Exchange has been around for 40 years, and we took over about 20 years ago. And basically, the South African Gold Coin Exchange gives you a forum where you can basically buy and sell most gold coins. That is principally Krugerrands and various other collectible coins such as from the South African Mint, Proteas, Naturas, as well as international coins, such as the Mandela medallions, as well as other coins such as 1 rand and 2 rand gold coins and various other medallions.
And then what would you say the current trends are that you might see in the South African gold investment space? Have there been a pickup substantially, or are consumers looking at alternative investment areas?
Well, I think we have to look back, let's say, 20 years, and then we'll go to 10 years. Basically, the bull market in gold started about 20 years ago, when it reached a low of about $250 an ounce and reached a high of $1,900 an ounce about a year or so ago, when the Greek debacle occurred, which created enormous trouble for Greece and the whole EU. And I think we're still feeling it today with problems in Italy and Portugal.
Now Cyprus as well.
And of course now Cyprus, which in a sense might have led to a bit of a drop-off in the gold. But as I like to see it is that, thank goodness Cyprus has gold. At least they had gold to sell. That's exactly the problem, or should I say the opportunity. The whole reason for actually buying gold and holding gold is it's your ultimate store of value. When there is in fact a rainy day, when you do need an investment that you can turn into cash really quickly, gold is the one. Try selling your insurance policies. Try surrendering your insurance policies. You don't have hope in you-know-what. And if you've got property, now property is good, but, property isn't terribly liquid. So, unless you've got shares in public property, shares listed on the JSE, it's difficult. There is a new introduction of a REIT, which will obviously bundle together many properties, and you can buy and sell them on the stock exchange. But gold is there so that in a time of need, you can turn it into cash at a moment's notice.
And there you've heard it from Alan Demby, who is the chairman of the Scoin shop. That's the South African Gold Coin Exchange within South Africa, sharing his insights on investing in gold. And we will continue speaking to him for the remainder of this week, taking a look at the joys of investing in gold and how you can earn a positive return from such an investment. If you'd like to get in touch with the South African Gold Coin Exchange or visit one of their Scoin shops, they've got several of them located in different areas within South Africa. Alternatively, you can give them a call on their contact number, which is 0861 724 653. If you happen to miss that number, then log on to their website, which is www.scoinshop.co.za, and you should be able to find some further details as to how to contact them and potentially invest with the company. But for myself, Guguleta Mfupi, and the Money Web team, we leave it here for today. Join me again tomorrow at the same time when we pick up on this discussion regarding in gold coins. But for now, though, it's back to Varshan and Pravina at the Lotus FM studios.